Hey, everyone, imagine a planet so light it could float in a giant bathtub, surrounded by dazzling icy rings wider than the Earth-Moon distance, but thinner than a sheet of paper. That's Saturn, the jewel of our solar system. In the next 10 minutes, we'll cover everything. Why it floats, its crazy hexagonal storm, record 274 moons, hidden oceans that might have life, and upcoming missions. Hit like if you're excited, and subscribe for more space facts. Let's blast off. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun, sitting 1.43 billion kilometers away. That's 9.5 times farther than Earth. Sunlight takes 80 minutes to reach it. One Saturn year equals 29.4 Earth years. But one day, just 10.7 hours, super fast spin. Diameter is 120,536 kilometers. 9.5 times wider than Earth. You can fit 764 Earths inside by volume. Mass is 95 times Earth's. But the mind blower? Density only 0.69 g/cm superscript 3, less than water. Yes, Saturn would float in a big enough bathtub. Gravity is 91% of Earth's, so you'd feel slightly lighter. Average temperature, a freezing minus 138 degrees Celsius. Saturn glows pale, golden yellow, because of ammonia crystals in its clouds. It's a gas giant, no solid surface. Drop anything and it sinks forever into thicker gas. Extreme weather. Winds hit 1,800 kilometers per hour, 15 times faster than Earth's strongest hurricanes. North Pole has a perfect giant hexagon storm, each side 14,500 kilometers long, bigger than Earth. It's been spinning perfectly for decades. South Pole has its own swirling vortex. Atmosphere, 96% hydrogen, 3% helium. Pressure increases deeper down, turning hydrogen into liquid, then metallic form that creates Saturn's super strong magnetic field. Lightning here is 1,000 times more powerful than on Earth. No solid ground, just endless gas layers. Core is rocky, maybe Earth-sized or bigger. Then liquid metallic hydrogen, liquid hydrogen helium, and outer gas. This setup makes Saturn radiate more heat than it gets from the Sun. Star traction, the rings, span 282,000 kilometers wide, Earth to Moon distance, but only 10 to 30 meters thick, thinner than a CD. Made of 99% water ice particles, dust to house-sized chunks. 7 main rings, A to G. New 2026 studies suggest they're young, 10 to 400 million years old, possibly from an ancient moon collision that also helped form Titan. Moons? Saturn holds the record, 274 confirmed as of 2025. Titan, bigger than Mercury, has thick nitrogen atmosphere, liquid methane lakes and rivers. Earth-like weather, but with hydrocarbons. Enceladus, tiny icy moon with global subsurface ocean. Water geysers shoot organic molecules into space, prime spot for life. Others, Mimas, Death Star crater, Iapetus, two-tone color, formed 4.5 billion years ago from solar nebulae. Latest theory, February 2026, a giant moon collision created Titan and the rings we see today. Galileo saw rings in 1610. Voyager flybys in 1980 to 81. Legendary Cassini-Huygens 2004 to 2017 orbited 294 times. Landed on Titan, discovered Enceladus Ocean, then grand finale crash into Saturn in 2017. Next, NASA's Dragonfly nuclear-powered drone launching July 2028, arriving Titan 2034 to fly around and hunt for prebiotic chemistry. Life? Not on Saturn, but Titan's chemistry and Enceladus vents could support microbes. Fun facts. Rings slowly raining into planet. See rings with small telescope. Saturn fits 764 Earths. In Hindu mythology, Shani Dev, god of karma and justice, Saturday named after it. Hexagon unchanged for 40 plus years. Saturn, floating beauty with epic rings and 274 moons. A masterpiece of our solar system. Which fact blew your mind? Floating density, Rings or Titan? Comment below. Like, subscribe, hit bell. Next video, Jupiter or Uranus? Tell me. Thanks for watching. Keep looking up.